Hello, my friends. I'm line drying my hand washed linen and cotton laundry because that's how they're supposed to be done. That's how to take care of them so that they will last. It's a lot of work, hand washing, but they're not dirty. So it's just 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oh, I hear the thunder and the blue jay calling. Yeah, that's the sound of a blue jay, a blue jay bird. But I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in the jungle. It's a beautiful bird, but I don't see it. Oh, it's up there. I see it now. But you can't see it. Yeah. Ah, that's how it sounds. Like high pitched. High pitched. But it's a beautiful bird. I first met a blue jay when I was in Pennsylvania. Yeah. There are a lot of them there in Pennsylvania. Look at my clothes, my dresses. They're having a cool breeze. They're gonna smell good. They're not dry yet. It's really tiresome hand washing. Hand washing! It's not my thing, but I have to do it. This one is 100% pure linen from Italy. I like the design. Floral. And then this one is also 100% linen from Vietnam. Oh, you see it? Made in Vietnam. Oh, it's windy, it's breezy. Yeah, that's Vietnam. This one is from Italy. I don't see if it's written. Anyway, Italy, Vietnam, and this one is also 100% linen. It's made in Bangladesh. I haven't been to Bangladesh yet. I want to go there, see the country. Yeah. The one on the left is, far left is from Italy. This one made in Vietnam. This one is made in Bangladesh. The last one is 100% cotton. This one. It's from India. Is it there? Does it say India? Let me see. Yeah, India. Made in India. India. Hello, my friends, my YouTube friends in India. Thank you very much for all your support. I appreciate your support to my channel. They don't go unnoticed. You don't go unnoticed, my friends. Thank you very much. Also, my friends in Bangladesh, of course, my friends in Vietnam, and those who are in Italy. Thank you very much, my YouTube friends, for your love and support. I'll see you later. What time is it now? It is around 7:30 in the evening. Yeah, and it was thundering. I heard the thunder. Hope it stops so I could do my silent live streaming soon before the sun goes down. Thank you very much everyone for watching. Bye for now. Oh, those dresses are dancing. Dancing in the wind.